How I get unlimited SEO backlinks. Your website's niche and industry can affect how you go about obtaining an endless number of backlinks for SEO. Nevertheless, the following are some recommendations that may be of assistance in how to obtain a limitless number of backlinks for SEO. 1. Make use of good backlinking services. A fantastic technique to begin started is by looking for a reputable backlinking service that can assist you in obtaining endless SEO backlinks. You will be able to build links from high-quality websites with the assistance of these providers, which normally demand a monthly price. 2. Cultivate meaningful ties with other websites. Developing meaningful relationships with other websites is another method for acquiring a limitless number of backlinks for SEO purposes. Sharing articles back and forth with one another, working together on Google AdWords advertising, or even just being cordial and helpful to one another are all viable strategies for achieving this goal. 3. Pay attention to link quality. The third and final piece of advice for gaining endless SEO backlinks is to pay attention to link quality. To accomplish this, you will need to produce high-quality material that will pique the interest of your target audience and garner positive attention from website owners who will distribute your content. In the pursuit of endless SEO backlinks, we hope that the advice presented here will be of assistance to you in getting off to a good start. Contact GBN Web Development for a free consultation about your web needs and wants. We will be happy to help you. Speak to one of our web designers today. 708-381-0426